Hey everybody. So I I was at AU a couple weeks ago and this was announced there, their Autodesk AI stuff, and I saw somebody. I'm at my desk now at home and I was just browsing LinkedIn and I saw somebody post something about the Autodesk AI stuff again. But it seems like none of it's like here's a cool thing that a firm's doing. It's just more marketing stuff. I do think that investing in these AI solutions is going to impact the industry quite a bit. Even if ChatGPT isn't directly, for AEC, I think that is actually impacting AEC quite a bit more than a lot of other things that have come out. But this to me doesn't seem super big. Not as big as what all the stuff I see. I keep seeing posts on LinkedIn. It's kind of annoying. I do think some of the stuff in here is kind of cool, but I don't use any of these tools. I use AutoCAD, but rarely. And Forma seems cool, but it seems very, very early. So we'll see how that evolves. And I'm kind of interested on the MEP side of that. I think they mention some water stuff, some plumbing things in the future. So hopefully that'll evolve. I don't know what that'll look like, but that kind of sounded cool. But anyways, I went out here and just quickly looked at this just to kind of read something. I was there and saw them mention it, but I didn't really know what it meant, and I actually didn't really know what it meant the whole time I was there. AI, I think, is a really big buzzword, and I didn't see really anything tangible from anything. So it'll be interesting to see how this stuff will show up in the industry and how folks will be using things. But it's probably going to be, for a while, pretty basic stuff that hopefully will get better. I'm more excited for AI in other tools or like in the open source community. I think there's some cool opportunities there. I'm mostly interested in it on that side because of the flexibility it has, and the things that you can do with it are just going to be a lot more cooler and more like more specific. I think folks that follow this channel are more technology savvy, so it's just a lot more fun working in a system that gives you a lot more flexibility. And that's why like I look at Nime and use that tool. So, and I know they've made some really cool updates that give people the ability to do some pretty cool things. And because it's open source, you kind of have the flexibility to make it your own. And unfortunately, I just don't get excited about Autodesk stuff. And though AI is super cool, it doesn't excite me because I know this is going to be locked behind some really expensive paywall that I can't, that I'm just not going to have the money for, or I'm not going to have the use cases because it's not there, because most of it's locked. We only have access to some of the capabilities. But anyways, I just wanted to point this out and talk about it. I don't know what you're seeing out there on LinkedIn or other social media platforms, but I would love to hear your input, or if you're using Autodesk AI solutions or other ones too. I'd love to see those too. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.